Hello. All right, so the point at coordinates AB is shown on the coordinate plane below. So here is AB. The point, I want to plot the point A, absolute value B. Okay? So A is going to be the same. Remember, we start at 0, 0, and I'm going to go over to A right here. Okay? Fill that in. All right, so whoops, I went a little too far. Good thing I double checked. All right, so A is at a -7. That is the value for A. B, we want the absolute value of B. Well, A is a -7, and right now B is a -8, but we want -7 and absolute value of a -8. Absolute value is distance from 0. It's always positive. It's 8 units. So what I'm really doing now is I'm moving this up to here. It is going to go from here to there. Okay? So I'm going to move this orange dot to that spot right there. And then now I have plotted the point A absolute value of B. The A value stays the same. The B, I want the absolute value of a -8, which is a +8. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, he thinks the temperature can cause him to lose or gain weight. He made a graph of the relationship between the temperature, degrees Celsius, and his change in weight over the last 10 days. What was Wang Yang's change in weight when the temperature was a -5 degrees Celsius? So what I have to do is go to my graph, go to a -5 degrees Celsius, which is right here. Okay, that's a -5 degrees Celsius. What value is there? That value right there, which represents 2. So that would be 2 kilograms. So on here, it says what was in weight in the temperature at a -5 degrees Celsius, and that is going to be 2. Then it says, what is the meaning of point A? Okay, well, we have to find point A, and it's kind of hard on this one, but point A is down here, bottom left corner. Again, bottom left corner, where I'm circling, there's A. What is the meaning of that? Well, first of all, it is a -9 degrees Celsius, and then it's a -2. So I'm looking for, on a day when the temperature was 9 degrees Celsius below 0, above 0 doesn't work, below 0, above 0 doesn't work. Okay, and it's minus, so it must be he lost. So there's lost 2 kilograms. He did not gain. So your answer is the first one. And that's the process you go through the problem. All right, let's take a look at another one. Here it says plot the points 5, 8. So you would move, doesn't matter which point, you can move either point. You would move that to 5, 8. So when I move that to 5, 8, it's 5 to the right of 0, 0. Okay, 5 to the right of 0, 0 and up. So there's where I would move one of those orange dots is to 5, 8. And 5, -3. And then I would also move it to 5 and then -3. 1, 2, 3. Right there would be the other spot. This is 5, 8, and this is 5, -3. Okay, now it says, what is the distance between these 2 points? Well, the distance is going to be, see if we can count this off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 11 units. That is the distance between those 2 points is 11. Next, here it says the point at the coordinates AB is shown in the coordinate plane, and that is this blue one here. Okay, that's right here. That's at AB. And we want to plot a absolute value of B. Well, first of all, this point is at 3, and then B is 5. Okay, so it's at 3, 5. Well, when I do this part here, it's still going to be 3. That stays the same. And the absolute value of 5, well, that's going to be 3, 5. So the funny part on this one is I'm just going to move this orange dot right over the blue dot that already exists. The point will not move if we go A absolute value, B. Next one, plot the point, -7, 1. So I'm going to go left 7 and down 1. There's my -7. Whoops. -7, 1. I'm going to go left 7. It's a +1, so I have to go up 1. So it's left 7, up 1. Just like me, I make mistakes. Double check. Make sure you get them plotted right. The next one is going to be left 7, down 5. -7, -5 is going to be left 7 and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be right here. And it's asking what is the distance between these 2 points. It is 5 and 1. If we do it in this color here, this part here is 5. This part here is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So it is 6 units apart. All right, let's go to the next. Gustavo went on a 7-day trip to Portland, Oregon. When he reached home, when he returned home, he made the graph, shown below, of the high temperatures, degrees Celsius, that he experienced. What was the temperature on the 6th day of the trip? 6th day of the trip. Okay, here's my day, and I want to know what it was on the 6th day of the trip. And the temperature, I get that over here on this number line. Okay, and at the 6th day, it is at 0 degrees. This blue dot has the ordered pair 6, 0, so it is 0 degrees Celsius. And then what is the meaning of point A? Okay, here's point A. If we look at the day first, on the 4th day, it is 7 degrees Celsius. So on the 4th day, it is 7 degrees Celsius. Now notice this is above the day line, which means it's above 0. So it is 7 degrees above 0. So it is our second one. All right, next one. That's it. Good luck. Be careful when you're graphing the points.